Hi, in this video we'll be showing you how to edit, add and delete product categories as well as the products. First, you need to log into the backend. After logging to the backend, you'll see the admin page here. So, in order to add a new product, we need to go to number 1, catalog, and then products. Once you click on the products, it will take you to the product page. If you want to delete or edit certain products, simply select the product. You can delete or edit. If you don't want to add a new product, click on Insert. Here on this page, you need to input the product name, as well as the product description. In this case, we'll be using some dummy content. And then go to the Data tab. Under Model, if you have a certain model for the product, you can input it here. If you don't, you can put it the same as the product name. And then once again, down here is the SKU number. If you have it, you can put it here. If you don't, you can leave it blank. Keep scrolling down. Then the quantity is where you put your inventory. Here we put 10. And scrolling down, you see here we're asked you to put the price. Here we put, for example, $10. And then this is where you put the product main image. Click on Browse, and then you can upload it from your desktop. But before you do that, we recommend you to create different folders for different categories. That way it's easier for you to manage all the images in the future. In this case, we have created a folder called Demo. That's where we're going to input our products. So we upload our products from the desktop. Click on Upload. We're going to do the shoes here. So we're going to select this picture here. Click on Open. And here we go. Double click on it. Now we have added this product image here. One little note is that just be sure before you upload any images, you have to make sure all the images are properly compressed, meaning that the image size should not exceed 300 KB, because that way your website will not be slowed down. In order to compress images, you can use certain image softwares such as Photoshop. However, if you don't have those photo editing softwares, you can simply Google online. There will be a lot of free website does the image compressing. Here we'll take one example. It's called tinypng.com, and it's totally free. It's very simple. You can just drag the image from your desktop, and then it will automatically compress it for you. Come back to website. After you're done with the Data tab, now go to Links. Under Links, you will have to select the categories it belongs to. In this case, we will, for example, check ashtrays and these 4 categories. One product can belong to many categories. For the manufacturer, if it does have one, you can fill it out. If you don't, just simply leave it blank. And next, we can go to here. In order to edit more images, click on Image here, and then you can add small images for the product if you have more than one product image. Same way, go to Browse, select the proper folder. Now go to Upload. In this case, we're going to do this one here. Once again, make sure the image is properly compressed. We're going to do it one more time. Once everything is done, simply click on Save. Now your product has been published. Come back to the website, go to the category. In this case, we put it ashtray. Here we go. If the product doesn't show up, simply refresh the page or clear the browser cache. If the product still does not show up, make sure you come back here and check the product status and make sure the product is enabled. So as we can see, now we click on the product, you'll be able to see the product name, the product images, and the product description here. So that's how you add, delete, or edit products. In the second part of the video, we'll be showing you how to edit or delete categories. So go back to the backend and then go to Catalog, Categories. Now you can select certain category, either edit, insert, or delete it. In this case, we'll be using edit. You can change the category name here. If you click on data, that's where you can assign subcategories. If the category is a main category, as shown as here as ashtray, there shouldn't be any parent category showing here. However, if a category belongs to a subcategory, then you need to select its parent category simply by inputting the main category name here. There will be a drop-down window. Then select the main category. Click on Save. So that's how you edit and delete and remove and certain categories. Thank you for watching the video.